Is it possible to hear me? Anwar,
Yes, yes.
can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes. Yes, Samba, I can hear you.
Yes. Yeah, wait, care.
So,
Anwar, just a ping in the group itself, care. Then remaining members, they will join the session. Ping in the group itself. Because I'm at
yeah,
outside,
yeah, I'm
because some
pinging.
personal work, I went to some outside. Okay, then we will see the some extra time. And tomorrow also I will take it. Okay. Fine. And parallelly, let me open the Visual Studio Code. We need to open a Visual Studio Code. File, open folder, file, open folder. Which folder? Which folder? RxJS folder. RxJS folder. Yes, sir. Anwar, please tell me, care, what you told, care, like how to create one project without node modules. You told me please create one project without node modules. How can I create one project
Yeah,
without node
yeah.
modules?
You
One
go to,
second.
you,
We go to
you
the
please
terminal.
go to a directive. That means,
Terminal.
no, no.
Terminal.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hmm.
Hit
Hmm.
command ng,
ng
new,
ng new project name. Yes or not?
project.
Project name. Rx operators. Ng new RxJS operators. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Bharata.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anwar. Anwar there na.
Sir,
Anwar. ng new RxJS operators. Next one. Anwar. Just to do the charting. Do the charting. Bharata. Tell me,
Sir.
Bharata.
What, sir? To create the project, we need that's one ng new Rx operators.
There's another project I'm creating, but he told some syntax to me. ng new RxJS operators. Anwar.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Actually, sorry for inconvenience. My internet goes down. Yeah. So,
yeah,
ng new RxJS operator. Yeah. Give a flag hyphen.
hyphen. Skip.
Yeah. skip hyphen install.
Okay, na?
Yeah. Hit enter.
Sir, today we are going to learn only operators. Sir.
Answer the question. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, the project is
Yeah.
created.
This has created your project. Okay. Go to normal project directory. Means
This
Windows Explorer through Drive and all.
Okay. 1 second. Okay. Go to the series one. Okay. RxJS there itself. There's an old example.
Yeah.
Can I cut this one?
Yeah.
Go
to the old example. Yeah. Cut the node module. Cut. No. Cut. Always cut.
Yeah. Cut. And go to the
current creator project. Yeah. Paste it.
Yeah, I'm doing the copy paste. Hi.
But file should not be opened somewhere else.
Can I close the Visual Studio Code? Can I close it? Okay?
Yeah.
See, this it is also taking some time now. Yes.
No, but it should not take time.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
I think
it's done.
So see this one here itself.
Now you can
open the Visual Studio Code. After opening the Visual Studio Code, RxJS operators. See this one can CD space. What you wanted to place RxJS operators. Yes. Next one ng yes -1. NGS -1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. NGX -1. Check this one whether we're able to execute the project or not.
Yeah, exactly. We will be able to execute. And one more thing, if previous application you want to execute anytime, okay, then you just hit npm install. Later it will install all the dependencies as per the package.json file.
We know that one we know.
Yeah.
We know that one.
So this is the way we can reduce the time.
Exactly, we know that one. Yes, then the project created successfully. Yes, guys. in the today's session, let me go for the few more examples, like a map example, like a map example, like a map operator. Which operator we will see? Which operator we will see? Map operator. Map operator, map to operator. Guys, listen here. Map operator, map to operator. We will see the map operator. Which operator we will see? Map operator. Next one is the map to operator, map to operator. Next one is the tap operator. Next one is the take operator. Next one is the skip operator. Nearly, I will try my best level to give the wonderful explanation for the all the remaining operators. Fine, guys. So first time, guys, I didn't teach these things to any classes, guys, but very very important the real time.
They are asking, sir. In interviews, they are asking.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
We are.
yes, sir. Are you people able to talk with me?
Yes.
Yes. See this one. Monali, try to say this one again. Monali, what is the project name? RxJS
RxJS.
operators. Here itself, put your folder, source folder. Here itself, put your folder,
App folder.
app folder. Here itself, we have one more folder. The folder is the app folder. Right click, new file. Right click, new file. Which file? Demo.service.ts. Which file we need to create? Which file we need to create? Talk with me. Demo.service.ts. We should be in a position. We need to create the demo.service.ts. Anwar, how to create the service? Anwar, how to create the service? At the rate injectable. At the rate injectable. Okay. Next one. What you wanted to place? Provided in equal to router. Provided in equal to router. Next one. How to export the service? Export default class. Which service?
Demo service.
Demo service. We should be in a position. We need to go for one service. The service is the demo service. Next one. Create the object to the HTTP client. How can you create object to the HTTP client?
Using constructor.
Responder. Constructor. Please go through the constructor. We should be in a position. We need to go to the constructor. How can I create the object? How can I create the object? Private HTTP colon private HTTP colon HTTP client. HTTP client present into which package? Present into which package? Import HTTP client. Import HTTP client from @angular/common/HTTP. So automatically we can create the object to the HTTP client here. Okay now. Constructor private HTTP colon HTTP client. Next one. Can I create one function here? Respond.
Yes,
You
sir.
people need to respond. Can I create a Sharmila? Can I create one function here? Shilpa, I hope you joined the class after so many days. Shilpa, how you can sync with the class? Fine. See this one here. Public, which function? Get a data function. Guys, how to make asynchronous call? Anwar, how to make asynchronous call with the help of what? With the help of what? Observable. Observable of what you wanted to place in. Observable of any we need to place here. Public get a data colon. Public get a data colon observable of any. Can I make the REST API call?
Yes.
Can I make the REST API call? Return HTTP dot return HTTP dot get off return HTTP dot get off. Can I pass the REST API call here?
Yes.
Yes, this is the REST API call. Let me pass this REST API call here. What are the REST API call is there? The REST API call we need to pass. Bharat, explain the code 1 second. Bharat, how to create the service? Bharat, how to create the service with the help of what? Injectable. Bharat, how to make REST API call?
HTTP
How
client.
to make REST API call? HTTP client here. Next one more point. How to make asynchronous call? Sharmila, how
Observable.
to make a synchronous call with the help of what? Observable. Sharmila, how to make the service as the global service? How to make the service as the global service provided in equal to root? Fine. What is the name of the service?
Demo
Demo
service.
service. What is the line number 8? Creating the object to the HTTP client. Creating the object to the HTTP client. Technically, we can call dependency injection. Shanmukhpriya, technically what do you call? Technically, we can call
Dependency
dependency injection. Anwar, which function you created, Anwar? Anwar, which function you created? Get a data function. Anwar, you created one function. Which function? Get a data function. Why this function? To make the asynchronous call, na? To make the asynchronous call. So see this one here. This is the REST API call now. Yes. Service is ready now, guys.
Yes.
Shanmukhpriya service is ready now. Yes, sir. Can I go to the guys? If you have any confusion, try to ask me. Never keep it in your brain itself. Fine. Can I go to the app.component.ts?
Yes.
Can I go to the app.component.ts, guys? Yes. Let me go to the app.component.ts. Guys, in app.component.ts, can I do the dependency injection?
Yes.
Can I
Constructor.
do the dependency injection? How can I do this one?
Constructor.
Constructor. What you want to do?
Private.
Private.
Service.
Private
Service.
service.
Private
Private
Demo
service colon.
service.
Private service colon. Which service? Demo
Demo
service.
service.
Chetan, all the people. Bharat, unmute yourself. Bharat, I need the response. Nala Swami, Pratyush, everyone. I need the response from you people. Shilpa, say this one care. What is the line number 11? Line number 11 is the
Dependency injection.
creating the object to the service. So, what is the object we are getting? What is the object we are getting? Respond. Service object here. Next one. Who is the first life cycle hook?
NG on init.
Who is the first life cycle hook? NG on init here. Can I call the service here?
Yes.
Can I call the
This
service
dot
here?
HTTP.
Distant,
Service.
service dot get data dot subscribe now.
Yes.
Dot subscribe. How many responses are possible?
Two responses.
Two responses. This is the
Positive
response one.
response.
This is the
and
response one. Next one, this is the response two.
response.
This is the response one. Next one, this is the response two. Say this one here. It is which response? It
Positive
is which
response.
response? This response we can call. This response we can call positive response now. Yes.
Yes.
This response what do you call? This
Error
response
response.
what do you call? Error response here. So how to handle the error? How to handle the error with the help of
Error
what?
handling.
HTTP error response.
Error
Can I
response.
print the error response also? Can I
Yes.
print the error response also? Console dot
Log.
log of error response.
Error response.
Can I store the positive result into result variable itself?
Yes.
Result colon what you wanted to press again.
Any.
So can I store it here? Can I store it here? Yes, sir. Say
This
this
dot
one again. Distant result equal
result is equal to
distant
positive
result equal
response.
to positive result. So can I print the result?
Yes.
Can I print the result again?
App.component.html.
So can I print it again? Can I print it again?
Yes.
How can I print it
Double
again?
curly braces.
How can I print it here? H5.
Double
H5.
curly
What you
braces
wanted to
result.
print? H5. What you wanted to print here? We should be in a
Result.
position. We need to print the result.
Pipe.
How to convert it to string
Yes,
format?
sir.
Pipe JSON. We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to print it to. We should be in a position. We need to print it to string format. So how to convert it to string format? Pipe JSON. Next one, guys. Which module we need to add? Which module we need to add? Tell me again. App.module.ts. Which module we need to add again? We should be in a position. We need to add HTTP client module. We should be in a position. We need to add HTTP client module here. Fine. Guys, so check the result again. You should be in a position. We need to check the result again. Try to check the result again. Yes, guys. This is the result we are getting now.
Yes.
Bharat, Anwar, Pratyush. This is the result we are getting now. Yes or not?
Yes.
Is it a array of JSON objects?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Is it a array of JSON objects? Yes or not? Anwar, I don't need this much of nonsense. Anwar, I don't need this much of nonsense. I need only flag. See this one. So many things are there, na, Anwar. So many things are there. I don't need this much of nonsense. I need only flag. Okay, now so result we need to modify.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Guys, what is the result we are getting? We are getting the array of JSON objects. So to manipulate the result, here, we have one RxJS operator. We have one RxJS operator. That RxJS operator we can call the map. What do you call? That
Yes.
RxJS
Map.
operator, technically we can call map. See this one, what is the name of RxJS operator? The
Map.
name of
Map.
RxJS operator is the map here. See this one here, map. So can you import the map also?
Yes.
Can you import the map, guys? Let me import the map here. We should be in a position we need to import the map. So guys, how to manipulate the result of observable? All the people, how to manipulate the result of observable with the help of what?
Map
Map.
With the help of
function.
what? Map. So
Map operator.
can you import the map here? How can you
Yes.
import the map here?
Import map.
Import map. Guys, import what you wanted to import here.
Map.
Import map from
From
import map from
RxJS operator.
import map from what you wanted to place. RxJS.
RxJS
Import map from
operator.
RxJS operators. Yes, sir. Bharat,
Operator.
Shanmupriya, can you please explain once again how to manipulate the result of observable with the help of which function? Map
Map
function.
operator.
This is a map
Using
function
map
present into where?
function.
Operator. See this one here.
Sir,
Here
one
itself.
doubt.
Here itself. Let me
Operator.
explain here. Here itself result we are getting. So what is the result here? Result is the arena.
Yes.
Result is the arena. Yes or not?
Yes.
So
Yes.
how to manipulate that array? How to manipulate that array? To manipulate that array, we have the one ES6 function. We have one
Map.
ES6 function, map
Map
function.
function.
Fun. See this fun here itself. Here itself, observe this fun here. Here itself, we need to pass the element comma. What is the next one here? We have the index here. Element comma index. Guys, each JSON object stored into where? Each JSON object stored into element itself. Each JSON object stored into element itself here. So return. See this one here. Return flag colon what you wanted to place element dot what you wanted to place flag. Return element dot flag here. Guys, see this one. Are you getting the whole result or are you getting only flag information?
Flag.
Flag info. Then that
Flag.
function what do you call? Then that function what do you call? Map function. Okay, now guys, in the single shot, guys, in the
Map
single shot, you
function.
people, guys, in the single shot, you people can't understand once again. Can you please explain once again here? You people need to explain once again here. Guys, how to make REST API call here? Guys, how to make REST API call here? Anyone? Return HTTP dot return HTTP dot get off return HTTP dot get off URL. Guys, how to manipulate the result? How to manipulate the result? Dot pipe here. Next one. Here itself, if you want to manipulate the result, we have one
Map
RxJS
Map
operator.
function.
Which operator we have here? Map function here. Here itself, see this one here. Whole complete result will be stored here now.
Yes.
But
Yes.
what is the result? Result is the array now.
Yes.
Result is the array. So here itself, result is the array. How to iterate the array? How to iterate the array? How to iterate the array with the help of which function? With the help of which function? Map function. Here itself, what you wanted to pass? Here itself, what you wanted to pass here? Here itself, element comma
Index.
next one is the what you wanted to place index here. Element comma, we should be in a position we need to place the element comma index we need to pass. Next one. Result colon we need to place the any. Next one. So which result you need? We need one result. Which result you need? Guys, compulsory interview panel questions, yes or not? You people are attending the interviews. I think Bharat, you went for some interviews or not? Compulsory questions or not? RxJS operators compulsory question or not? Yes. Yeah, next one is the I need the flag also. How can I get the flag here? Element dot flag. So what is the result we are getting now? Are we getting all the names? Are we getting the names or not? Are we getting the flags or not? We are getting the names here. Next one, we are getting the flags also. Okay, na?
Yes.
So anyone have the confusion to understand the map function?
No.
Anyone, guys? Shanmukh Priya,
No, so clear.
can I go
So
for the
can
another
you,
exam?
can you show me once the code?
Syntaxes, na?
Yes. That
Shan-
name you Monali.
Monali, say this one, Monali. Before the class itself, even though if you know the syntaxes here, I need to practice. Directly I can't enter into class here. So the syntaxes are a little bit tougher. This map related to what? This map related to what? This map related to RxJS operator. This map related to what? This map related to what? This map related to ES6, JavaScript ES6.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Why we are
Cash
writing flags? Sir?
Return you have written name colon element dot name. That first name is the we just taken key we have
From
taken
the
now.
exactly. Here also we
From
can place the
that
exactly. Here also you can place the X here. Here itself you can place the Y
okay.
also. You can
Only
place
that
the X here.
element dot name is from
Important.
name is from
Important.
okay.
Important. Remaining things are not important. Okay. Yes. One more person, guys. What is the another question? One more person.
What is flag?
So do we need to manually import that map operator or directly?
No, it will come directly. Bharat, it will come directly. But I don't know in my laptop not coming here. Maybe am I doing any mistake? I don't know because this laptop is the new laptop to me. So I hope it's not imported. Manual, I think automatically it will import. No need to worry about it. Yes. Next one. Next one. Some other question, guys.
Sir, what is mean by flag?
What is meant by flag na? Chatan?
Yes,
Chatan.
sir.
Your
Yes, sir.
question is the what
Yes,
is
sir.
meant by flag na?
Yes, sir.
How many members have that question, guys?
For me also, sir. Element dot flag.
Check the result now. Check the result now. You people need to check the result now. Yes, sir. Is this result coming from the server or our own response?
Server.
Server.
Bharat and Chetan. Is this
Server.
response coming from server or our own response?
Server.
From server, sir.
What is the name?
Name.
What is the name? Never
Key.
say name. I know name. What is the name? Key.
Key.
What is that?
Key.
Why name only? Why name only? We don't know because vendor given the key like name. See this one here. And here itself. And one more thing is the see this one here. I will show the one more thing. What do you call this one? What do you call?
Flag.
Flag. Who given that flag?
Vendor.
Vendor. So we
Vendor.
don't know that one. We don't know that one.
Yes, yes.
And one more. Bharat, one more point. Bharat, which response you are getting, Bharat?
JSON response.
Bharat, which response you are? No. Array of
Array of object.
array of JSON objects.
JSON object.
Is my point right or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Everyone. Is my point right or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But Bharat, I don't need this much of nonsense. I need what? Only name and I need only name and flag.
Flag.
Only
Okay,
two
okay.
things. I need only name and flag and next one is the region also.
Region.
Next one is the population also.
Language.
Okay.
Population also.
Okay.
Only I need only 4 to 5 keys, sir. Yes, sir. I think to manipulate the result, which function we have? To manipulate the
Map.
result, which
Pipe.
function we have? Map function. Na? See
Map.
this one here. We have one function here. Which function? Map function. See this one here. This is the result coming from the server now.
Server.
Yes, sir. This is the result coming from the server now. Yes, sir. This is the result. What is this result? This is the array.
Array.
Accept my answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. How to manipulate that array? How to manipulate that array? Once again, ES6 operator. Once again, ES6 operator. Next one. See this one here itself. Guys, high level thinking, guys, working people, guys. Then you can enjoy with this class. Whoever working on the Angular. Yes, guys, see this one here itself, and here itself. How many things we need to pass? 2 parameters we need to pass now.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 2 parameters we need to pass. Shanmugh Priya. First one is the element comma.
Index.
Next one is the
Index.
Element comma index here. Return JSON object. Do you want to see the name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Each JSON object stored into element na.
Yes.
Element dot name. Element dot name. So we are able to see only names.
Names.
Okay, now
Yes,
how to see the only population. How to see the only population? Population. How to see the only population? Element dot what you wanted to place? Element dot population. Element dot population. We are able to see the only population again. Name we are able to see. Next one is the population we are able to see. Next one, see this one again. We wanted to see native name again. We wanted to see the native name. Shanmugh Priya, how to see the only native name? Element dot what you wanted to place? Native name. Bharat, very important to you. You are keep on. I think you were eagerly looking for the interviews, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's very important. For next one, I need the flag also. How can I get the flag here? How can I
Flag,
get the flag
Flag.
here? Flag equal to
flag,
flag equal
element
to
dot
what you
flag.
wanted to place. Flag equal to elemented dot flag. Flag equal to elemented dot flag here. So we are getting flag. So in the final result, what you are able to see, name we are able
Name,
to see, population we are able to
population,
see,
native
native name we
name,
are able to
flag.
see, flag we are able to see. Guys, are you people perfect with the map operator on the RxJS?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have the questions regarding this one? No one responding now.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for another example? I hope you people are not perfect up to now. Can I go for another example? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me
Yes,
go
sir.
for the another example. We should be in a position. We need to see the another example. Go to the demo service itself. We need to go to the demo service itself here. After going through the demo service itself here. Demo service itself here. Observe this one here. See this one here itself. Just to open the another REST API call. We need to open another REST API call. The REST API call is the W3 schools customers PHP. W3 schools customers PHP. Let me open this one here. We need to open this one. Yes, guys. No, guys. Not like this. Can I create our own example? Can I create our own example? Let me create our own example.
Samba, instead of going to another example, you will somehow you will provide the recorded videos. Now you can go for another concept, another topic.
Anwar, say this one because these people may not able to catch that much of thing because the reason is they were eagerly working on that one. Na? So these people, I think out of 12 members, around 5 to 6 members are bounced. They didn't understand that concept. Okay, na? Fine. The reason is the some people are the fresher students, so they can't. 1 second, guys. Anwar, did you catch my point now?
Yeah.
Yeah, because these people may not catch that much of flow. See this one. I think you are thinking like everyone understand this one. So out of 12 members, 3 to 4 members are bounce. Still, they didn't understand what we done in the class. Let me see this one, guys. Let me create another project. We need to create one project again, guys. Let me create one folder. We should be in a position. We need to create one folder. Let me create one folder. Which folder we need to create? The folder is the server folder. We need to create a fun, guys. After creating the server folder, here, please open the terminal here. After opening the terminal here, do you people know how to switch to server folder? How to switch to server folder?
Yes, sir.
Series based server. Guys, how to download Express module? How to download Express module? Yarn add Express.
Add Express.
Add Express. How to download cars module? Cars. Yarn add Express cars. Enough, guys. These two modules are enough. No need to go for the number of modules. What are the two modules are there? These two modules are enough. Yarn add Express cars. Next one. Go to the server folder. We need to go to the server folder. Right click, new file. Right click, new file. Which file? The file is the server.js file. Guys, do you people know how to import? Do you people know how to import Express module? Do you people know how to import Express module? Constant Express equal to require of constant Express equal to require of Express. Next one, guys. One more pointer. Constant cars equal to constant cars equal to require of what? Constant cars equal to require of cars. Constant cars equal to require of cars. How to create the REST object? Constant app equal to
App is equal to
constant app equal to express of. And how to enable the cars policy? App dot use of cars of. Next one. How to create the get request? How to create the get request? App dot get offer. What is the argument one? What is the argument one? Argument one is the products. What is the argument two? What is the argument two? Callback function. Argument 2 is the, here we have the argument 2 here. Argument 2 is the callback function. Guys, for the callback function, how many parameters you want to supply?
Two.
2 parameters. What is the first parameter? Request parameter. What is the second parameter? What is the second parameter? Response parameter. First parameter is the request parameter here. Second parameter is the response parameter. Totally how many parameters we need to
Two
supply?
parameters.
2 parameters. First parameter is the request
Request
parameter. Second parameter is the, what is the second parameter? Response parameter here. Nearly 2 parameters we need to supply. Next one. After that guys, here itself response data send off. Response dot send off array we need to send. This array contain number of JSON objects. It contain what it contain here? Number of JSON objects. Then each JSON object contain what? Each JSON object contain product cost equal to say this one, product cost equal to 10,000. Product cost equal to 10,000 here. Next one is the, say this one here. Here itself product cost equal to 20,000. Next one is the, say this one here. Product cost equal to 30,000. Next one is the product cost equal to, we need to place the 40,000. Next one is the product cost equal to 50,000. So guys, how to assign the port number? How to assign the port number? App dot listen of 8080. App dot listen of 8080 here. Next one is the, here itself callback function. Here itself console dot log off. Console dot log off. What you wanted to place? Console dot log off server listening the anyone server listening the port number port number which port number 8080. Server listening the port number is 8080. So guys, which REST API you developed? Which REST API you developed? Products na we developed one REST API. Which REST API we developed here? Products REST API. Is my point right or not? So how to execute the code? How to execute the code here? Node space server na node space server. So guys, what is the port number here? 8080 na
8080.
guys, can I test with the browser itself? http
Yes.
colon localhost colon 8080 slash products.
Products.
8080 slash products here. Yes guys, how many products we are getting? 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Yes or not? This is the URL now.
Yes.
This is the URL now. This is the URL. So guys, now you people need to tell the code to me. Please tell the code to me. Here itself, can I go to the service layer itself?
Yes.
Can I go to the service layer itself? You people need to tell demo.service.ts. We should be in a position. We need to go to the demo.service.ts. Can I comment this one? Comment this one.
Yes.
Guys, can I create one function? Can I create one function? Which function we need to create? Public get a data function. Guys, say this one again. Colon observable of what you want to place any. Next one. Say this one here. Return http dot what you wanted to place get. Return http dot get here. Okay na? Check the result now. You people need to check the result now. Once if you check the result now here, what is the output you are getting here? Check this one here guys. What is the output we are getting here? 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 now.
Yes.
Guys, I need the product whose cost greater than 30,000. Totally how many products you have? Array 5 products, but I need the products whose cost greater than 30,000. Greater than 30,000 in the sense this one, these three are not.
Yes.
So you need to manipulate the result or not?
Yes.
Yes or not? Guys, is it a array of JSON objects?
Yes.
Is it an array of JSON objects? First of all, can I get the array? So
Yes.
guys, to manipulate the final result, here, which function we have? Which
Pipe.
function we have? Not a pipe function, map function here. Array,
Yes.
if I type the pipe here, you are saying the pipe na? Say this one here. Here
Map.
itself, which function we have? Map function. Here also say this one here. Guys, result is the array or not?
Yes.
Result is the array or not, guys? Array or
Array.
not? Respond here.
Yes.
Array. So, guys, this array contain how many JSON objects? This array contain how many JSON objects? 5 JSON objects now.
Yes.
Whatever the array is there, this array contain 5 JSON objects. Is my point right or not?
Yes.
Everyone, is my point right or not? Yes, sir. For this array, you need to apply some condition now.
Yes.
Some condition you need to apply na. Yes, which condition we need to apply? Array dot which function? Array dot which function? The function is the filter function na.
Yes.
Array dot which function? Filter function.
Filter.
Array dot filter function we need to use. Array dot filter of, see this function here itself, observe this function. Array dot filter of what you want to place here, element comma element comma, what is the next one?
Yes.
Index, element comma index here. Guys, return series function. Return, you need to return the JSON object now. Yes.
Yes.
What you wanted to see? What you wanted to see? Return return series function. Once again, return, you need to apply the condition. Which condition you need to apply? Element dot product cost. Element dot product cost greater than or equal to 30,000.
Or equal to 30,000.
Greater than or equal to 30,000. Return element dot product cost greater than or equal to 30,000. So check now here. What is the result we are getting?
Three results.
Three.
Guys, at least you got the clarity now.
Yes.
You people got the clarity now, guys. So what is the use of map function finally?
Yes.
To manipulate the result or not?
Yes.
To manipulate the result. In order to manipulate the result, we need to use one function. The function is the which function here? Map function. Guys, so not only that one. Still, if you are not feeling comfortable, then I will go for another example. I will go for some dummy example, not the real-time example. Some dummy example we need to see. Now, another example is the, guys, comment the code clearly, guys, because while practicing it will be helpful for you. Comment the code clearly here. Next one, guys, who is the first life cycle hooker? Who is the first life cycle hook here? ng on init. ng on init here. Fine. Next one, say this one can. Under the ng on init, guys, we have some hard coded result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see this one, because you people are feeling tough to understand the REST API call. So I wanted to take this some hard coded data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, this is the original result na.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the original result. But Shanmugh Priya, I need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the original result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the original result.
Map function.
Map.
But which result you need? Which result you need?
10, 20, 30, 40.
10, 20,
No,
30,
10,
40.
20, 30, 40, 50. So original result, you people need to modify na.
Yes.
Sir, you people need to modify. So to modify that one, which function we have?
Map.
To modify that one,
Map
which
function.
function we have? Map of function here. Map of function here. So see this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stored into where? Value itself. Yes or not? But which result you need?
Value
Which
into
result
10.
you need? Value into 10 or not? Which
10,
result you need?
yes.
Value into 10 here. So how to get the result here? How to get the result here? Dot which
Subscribe.
function? Subscribe function. Here itself, I think don't print that one can console.log. Simply we need to press the console.log. Once if we go for the console.log here, so what is the result we are getting?
10, 20,
40, 50 or not?
Yes.
But what is the original result? 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5
2, 3, 4,
original
5.
result. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 converted to what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 with the help of
Yes.
which operator? Map
Map
operator.
operator.
So can I expect at least you people got the clarity now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Once if you get the confirmation, can I jump to the another operator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I jump to the another
Yes,
operator?
sir.
Yes. Let me jump to the another operator here. We should be in a position. We need to jump to the another operator here. Guys, let me take the ng on init. Let me take the ng on init here. We should be in a position. We need to take the ng on init function. Let me take the ng on init function. Once if we take the ng on init function, can I call the service? Can I call the service, guys? This dot service dot which function? This dot service dot which function? Which function? Get a data
Get
function.
data.
Get a data function. How to subscribe the result here? Dot
Subscribe.
Dot to subscribe here. Dot to subscribe here. Here itself, we need to place the
Console.log.
here itself. How many responses are possible? How many responses are possible? Two responses are possible, na? How
Positive
many responses
response,
are possible?
error
Two
response.
responses are possible. What is the first response? The
Positive
first response
response.
is the positive result here. What is the second result again? The
Error
second result
response.
is the error result here. So can I print the positive result again?
Yes.
Can I print the positive result again?
So
Console.log of
Positive
positive result. Can I print the error result again?
Yes.
Can I print the error result again?
Error
Console.log
response.
of which result again?
Error
Error result.
response.
Console.log of error result here. So finally, not console.log now. Here we need to store into result variable now. We need to
Yes.
store into result
This
variable.
dot-
Simply, we need to store into result variable.
This
So
dot-
what is the result we are getting again?
Sir, that error log.
NG on init, you not written well. Good.
ng on init na.
Yes, capital.
Capital O.
Yes, guys, see this one can. How many values we have?
3.
Three values.
Three values.
So it is executing 3 times na.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I wanted to know how many times it is executing. If you wanted to know how many times it is executing, we have one more operator. We have one more operator. The operator we can call map to operator. See this one can. I
Map.
wanted to know how many times it is executing. If you wanted to know how many times it is executing here, at that time we have the one more operator here. Which operator we have here? Map to
Map to.
operator. Which operator we have here? Map to operator. Here itself, guys. I don't want to place this kind of nonsense can. I don't want to place everything, guys. These things I don't want to place here. Remove this one here. Simply we need to remove this one here. Simply we need to remove here. Here itself we need to place the like request some dummy message, guys. So how many times it will execute, guys?
One time.
One time.
Guys, how many time? Only why one time here?
Only one.
Only once na. I think only one rush type call na.
Yes, sir.
Only one
Yes.
rush type call here. So because of that reason, it will execute only once here. So not like this, guys. Don't disturb this code here. Comment this one, guys. Please comment this one here. We need to comment it again. Who is the important lifecycle hook here?
NG
Guys,
on
who is
init.
the NG on init na? Let me say this one here. Here we have one important lifecycle hook here. The lifecycle hook is the NG on init here. Yes or not? Fun. Next one,
Yes.
guys. Here itself, just to take some values. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Guys, how many values we have?
Five.
Observable emit how many times? Observable emit how many times? 5 times or not?
Yes.
So I wanted to know programmatically whether it is emitting 5 times or not. I wanted to know programmatically here. Dot to pipe off. What you wanted to place? Map
Two.
to. Map to off. Say this one here. Here itself follow. Map to off. Here itself we need to press the hello here. Fun. Say this one here. And say this one here. One more point here. One more point is the how to subscribe the result here. Dot
Subscribe.
subscribe off. Dot to subscribe off. We should be in a position. We need to press the console.log. Guys, see this one. Hello executed how many times?
5 times.
5 times. The reason is what? The reason is what? How many observable values we have?
5.
5.
5. So because of 5, it is executing nearly 5 times. Guys, map to operator is used to know how many times observable is executing. Map to operator is used to know how many times observable is
5
executing.
times.
So because of that reason, we need to go for the map to. Guys, I don't know, guys. I seen one of the interview panel question, guys, irrelevant question. The question is what is the difference between map function and a map to?
Hello.
Hello.
Guys, respond here. Kindly respond. What is the
Sir,
interview
your
panel question?
voice was
Now,
not getting.
now check this one. Now I connected with the mobile phone. Now check this one. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What is the difference between map function and map to function?
Map function used to manipulate the data.
Manipulate the data.
Map is used to
Manipulate the original
observe the
result
logic.
now.
And
Observe the
Manipulate the
logic.
result.
Yeah, map function is used to manipulate
Manipulate
the
the
original
result.
result. Original result. And map to function is used to
Count
is
the
used to
observable.
know is used to know how many times observable emit the data. How many times observable emit the data. So because of that reason, we need to go for which function? Map to function. Okay, now so that is the difference between the map function and map to function. So guys, don't disturb this project, guys. If you modify this project, literally you are getting the confusion here. Anyhow, it is taking a very less time now. It is taking very less time to create the project again. So let me create the other project. So I think
Sorry.
the Anwar, this is the right time, Anwar. This is the right time. The reason is These people, they don't know that one care. Guys, see this one care. Guys, how to create the another project again? Will you tell me care? ng,
New.
see this one care. RxJS, operators, RxJS, operators, RxJS operators example. Guys, hyphen skip install, hyphen skip install. So then the project will create immediately. Is the project created immediately here. Next one, guys, go to the old project. Go to the old project here. Node modules are there na? Node modules are there. Cut that one just to paste into our project itself.
The entire node modules files.
Yes, everything will be pasted here. Yes, copy and pasted done. I think that information told by the Anwar here. I think he checked it with the Google, he got that solution. So no need to wait for the 10 minutes, guys. So the project is ready. What is the another project we have? What is the another project we have? RxJS operators is na? RxJS operators. Guys, here itself, who is the default component? Who is the default component? App.component.ts. Guys, say this one can. Guys, who is the first life cycle hook?
ng on
Guys,
init.
who is the first life cycle hook? The first
ng
life cycle hook is the ng on init
on
na.
init.
Respond, guys. The first life cycle hook. Who is the first life cycle hook? ng on init is the first life cycle hook here. Is my point right or not? Guys, say this one can. Here itself, guys, but I'm not linking with the service here, but linking with the service is the good. But know the concept here. Guys, of how many values you want to emit here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay, now guys,
Five.
how many values we have?
5.
5 values. Guys, see this one can. Here itself pipe. Guys,
5.
temporarily, listen can. Temporarily, I need result as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Temporary result, not per. Listen can. First of all, give me the solution. How many values you have?
5.
Respond, you people need to respond here. How many
Five.
values you have? 5 values na Shanma Priya, everyone Bharat. 5 values we have here. So I need temporary result. Which temporary result you need here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
50.
Not permanent. Not
Okay.
what are the permanent values?
1,
What are the permanent values?
10,
1, 2, 3,
20,
4, 5.
30, 40, 50.
Arre.
Permanent.
What are permanent values are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Permanent
5.
value.
Yes.
But which temporary values you need? 10, 20, 30,
10,
40,
20,
50.
30, 40,
So
50.
if you need temporary result here, temporary result that never affected to the original values. At that time, we need to go for the, at that time, we need to go for one more operator here. Which operator we need to see? Tap operator. At that time, we need to go for one operator here. Which operator we need to see? Tap operator here. So guys, can I import to tap operator? Can I import to tap operator? Import tap from import tap
RxJS
from
operator.
what you wanted to place can RxJS / operators. Import tap from RxJS operators. So automatically we can import the tap operator here. Now say this one can. Here itself, each value will be stored here. Each value, whatever the value is there, that value will be stored here. Console.log off. Console.log off. Say this one can plus val. Console.log off odd plus val. Is it a permanent change? Is it a permanent value? No, temporary value. But how to get the original value? How to get the original value? With the help of subscribe function now. With the help of which function? With the help of subscribe function. So guys, how to execute the application itself? Guys, how to execute the application itself? CD space RxJS operators example. Next one is the ng is -o. ng is -o.
Sir, what is use of op in import op from RxJS?
This one line number 2 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. To emit the data one by one. To emit the data one by one. To give the one by one. In order to give the one by one, then we need to use the off operator. Fine. Check the browser here. You need to check the browser here. Once if you check the browser, guys. Once if you check the browser here, guys, see this one here. Here itself, we need to place the. Here itself, we need to place the tap of value. And here itself, we need to place the what you wanted to place here. We should be in a position. We need to place the tap of value. Let me go for the tap of value here. Here itself, we need to place which value we need to place tap of value here. Next one. See this one here. One more thing. Here, this one, what you wanted to place original value. Guys, see this one here. What is the tap of value? Can I tell the type of value?
2,
2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
But what is the original value?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
is the type of values affected to the original values?
No.
Then that function, what do you call? Then that function, what do you call? Tap
Tap.
function. Not function. Don't call the function here. Please call the operator. Which operator? Tap operator. Guys, can I revise all the three operators once again? Without rush API call here, then you people are feeling the little bit easy. Otherwise, you are feeling the tough here. Fine. A dummy example, guys. Not the great example. At least first of all, know the concept. Then you can do that one. Guys, what is the first operator?
Map.
Tap.
Map.
Map.
So guys, see this one here. Of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, I need the result 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I need the result. Which result you need? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So original result you need to modify now.
Yes.
Yes.
Original result you people need to modify now. Yes, we need to modify the original result. If you want to modify the original result, which operator we
Pipe.
have? Which
Map.
operator we
Map.
have? Map. Never say the pipe here. Never say the pipe here. We have what we have here? Map.
Map.
Can you import the map also? Can you import the map also? Respond, guys. We need to import the map also. What are the map is there? That map also we need to import. Guys, see this one. Each value will be stored into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stored into where? Value itself. Na?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stored into where? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Value.
5 stored into value itself. Na? So see this one. What you wanted to place can value into 100. So what is value into 100? How to print the result again?
Subscribe.
Subscribe of
Console.log.
subscribe of console.log. So what is the result we are getting? 100,
100, 200,
300, 400, 500. So but what is the original? But what is the original result? But what is the original
1, 2,
result?
3, 4,
1,
5.
2,
What is the
3,
original
4,
value?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 converted to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Then that map, that operator, what do you call? Map operator. The operator, what do you call? Whatever
Map
the
operator.
operator is there, that operator we can call map operator. Fine. Next one, guys. Let me go for the another example. Guys, let me try it here. Success or failure, it doesn't matter, guys. Success or failure doesn't matter. Let me try again. Guys, see this one here. Off. See this one here. Arena. This is the arena. This array contain what? This array contain what? Number of JSON objects now.
JSON object.
Tell me, it contain number of JSON objects now.
Yes.
It contain number of JSON objects here. It contain what? It contain here? Number of JSON objects. Of how many JSON objects we have? 5. But these JSON objects we need to get from server itself now.
Yes, sir.
Guys, but if I take the server, you people are feeling a little bit tough. Let me hard code it again. These JSON objects we need to get from server itself. Fine. This JSON object contain what? This JSON object contain what? Employee salary equal to what? 10,000. Employee salary equal to what you wanted to place again? Employee salary equal to, we should be in a position we need to place at 10,000. So here itself, can I copy this information? Can I copy it again? Copy it here. We need to place it again. What you wanted to place? 20,000. Here itself, what you wanted to place? 30,000. Here itself, what you wanted to place? 40,000. Here itself, what you wanted to place? 50,000. So guys, this is the hard coded data now.
Yes.
To emit a hard coded data, which operator we have? Off. But actually this data should come from where? Server itself. Server itself. Guys, print the normal result. How can I print the normal result? Dot subscribe of console.log here. Console.log here. Yes, guys. What is the result we are getting? Check this one again. What is the result we are getting here? ESAL equal to 10,000, ESAL equal to 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 40,000. Next one is the 50,000 now. Next one is the 50,000 now. Next one is the 50,000 here. Yes or not? 10,000. Next one is the 20,000. Next one is the 30,000. Next one is the 40,000. Next one is the 50,000 here. Guys, see this one. But I need the employee salary greater than 30,000. I don't need everything. I need the employee salary greater than 30,000. So which operator we need to use? Which operator we need to use? Which operator? Map operator. Guys, see this one here itself. Is it a array, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it array or not? That array stored into where? That array stored into where? Array here. Whatever the array is then, that array stored here. Say this one here. This is the array or not?
Yes, sir.
This array or not? This array stored into where? Array variable now. Array variable now. Yes, guys. How to apply the condition? How to apply the condition? Array dot filter off. Array dot filter off. array dot filter of what is the argument we need to supply? Argument is the callback function. For the callback function, what you want to supply? Element comma index. Guys, which condition you want to apply? Which condition you want to apply? Can return return element dot esal greater than or equal to esal greater than or equal to 30,000. Return ESAL greater than or equal to 30,000. So guys, what is the result we are getting? 30,000, 40,000,
30, 40,
50,000.
50.
Guys, how to modify the original result again? If you, this is the original result, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. But the original result converted to what? This result, na?
Yes.
So we are modifying the original result, na?
Yes.
If you wanted to modify the original result, we have one function. Which function?
Map function.
Map function. So see this one, guys. Is it a array?
Array
Is it
of
a
objects.
array, guys?
JSON objects.
Yes, sir. This array stored into where? This array stored
Array.
into where? ARR. Guys, how to apply the condition with the help of which function? Filter function.
Filter.
Guys, is it easy, guys?
Yes.
Horrible, guys. Horrible, guys. Like basic level students, guys, they can't understand. Basic student, guys, whoever completed the BTech freshly, they can't understand this one, because by seeing this syntaxes only, this opening bracket, closing bracket, they're getting the little bit horror movie here. Yes, guys, can I go for the another example? Guys,
Yes, sir.
can I go for the another operator again? Which operator we need to see? We should be in a position. We need to go for the one more operator again. Which operator we need to see? Another operator is the which operator, guys? Map to. Guys,
Map to.
what is the use of map to? Map to is used to know how many times
Emit the data.
observable emit the
Emit the
data.
data.
Respond, guys. Map to is used to know how many
How
times
many time observable
how many
emit the
times
data.
observable emit the
Observable
data.
emit the data.
Emit the data. So because of that reason, we need to go for the map to. Guys, see this one here. Off respond here. Off 1, 2, 3, 5. So guys, observable how many times emitting the data?
5
5
times.
times na. Dot which function? Pipe function here. What you want to place? Map to. Which one we need to take? Map to. Here itself, see this one here. Request. Map to request here. Next one is the dot to subscribe off. Simply we need to place console.log. Guys, see this one, guys. Request executed how many times?
5 times.
5 times na. The request executed 5 times. So guys, the meaning is the, what is the meaning here? The meaning is the map to is used to see this one here. Map to is used to know how many times observable is executing. How many times observable is executing here? How many times observable is executing the data? So because of that reason, we need to go for one function. Which function here? Map to function. Guys, are you people getting the clear-cut difference between the map and the map to?
Yes, sir.
Respond here. You people need to tell. Are you people getting the clear-cut clarity?
Yes, sir.
Map operator, map to. Guys, can I go for the another example?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the another example? Which example? Tap. Guys, to change original value temporarily.
Yes.
To change original value temporarily, not permanently, guys. Not permanent, temporarily. To change original value temporarily, then we need to go for one operator. Which operator?
Tap.
Which operator? Tap operator. To change, guys. To change original value temporarily, then we need to go for one function. Then we need to go for one operator. Which operator? The operator is the which operator here? The operator is the tap operator here. Okay, now so guys, see this one. How to do this one? Off. See this one here. 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Guys, this is the original value now.
Yes.
Tell me, this is the original data, at least 1%, guys.
Yes.
This is the original data. Whatever the data is, then this is the data we can call original data.
Original.
Can say this one can. My point is just observe this one can. Dot which function? Dot which function? Pipe function. Dot which function can? The function is the which function? Pipe function can. So which one we need to take? Tap na.
Tap.
Tap. So see this one, guys. Each value stored here na.
Value.
Yes, see this one here. Console down or otherwise see this one here. Guys, can I take one array here? Can I take one array here, guys? Can I take one array? Data one. Data one equal to any array. Data one equal to any array or something. We need to take. Data one equal to. We should be in a position. We need to take the data one. So, guys, why it is showing the error? Anwar, are you there now? Anwar, there or not? data equal to
And
data
yes.
colon what you wanted to place, data
Any.
equal to any array. Guys, data 1 equal to what you wanted to place any array.
Any
Totally
array.
how many arrays we taken? 2 arrays na, 2 arrays. So how to push the data, distant data dot push up, distant data dot push up, push up
Data.
what you wanted to place, val by 100, val by 100. Guys, data contain what, data contain temporary values or original values?
Temporary values.
Temporary values.
What are the temporary values? What are the temporary values?
Value by 100.
100.
No, yeah, like 1 2 3 4 5. Yes or no?
Yes, 1 2
how
3
to
4
how
5.
to get the permanent value? How to get the permanent value? Dot which function?
Dot
Subscribe
subscribe.
function. Subscribe function here itself we are getting the value na,
Yes.
value. How to push it again? Distant
This dot
data
data
1
1.
dot distant data 1
Data
dot what
1
you wanted to
dot
press can push
push.
up what you wanted to push here, val. Guys,
Value.
data contain what, data contain temporary values.
Temporary
Whatever
value.
the data is there, that data contain temporary values. Guys, data 1 contain what, permanent values.
Permanent
So guys,
values.
can I print the data under data 1?
Yes.
Can I print the data under data 1? Will you people help me? How to print
Yes.
it again? How to print it again?
H1
H1,
double curly
H1,
braces.
what you wanted to print? Data
Data
Type
pipe
JSON.
JSON, pipe JSON here. Next one, H1,
H1
what you
Data one.
wanted to print again?
data
H1,
1
what you wanted to print? Data
data
1,
1
pipe
pipe JSON.
JSON.
Error.
Why
Push.
guys, why we are getting there? Why we are getting there? Okay, the reason is the
Push.
equal to say this one here, equal to empty array,
Empty array. Yes.
Guys, see this one. What are the temporary values here? What are the temporary values? 1 2 3 4 5 is the temporary values now.
Yes, sir.
What are the permanent values?
100,
100,
200,
200,
300,
300,
500.
400, 500. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 5 is the permanent values. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One second, guys. See this one. So totally how many operators? Dummy examples, not the wonderful examples, too much dummy examples. Totally how many operators we discussed? First one is the map, next one is the map to, next one is the tab. So guys, first of all, get the knowledge about this funnel. Later we will link with the REST API calls. If I link with the REST API calls, you people are bouncing. So first of all, let me go for the dummy level explanation. Then we will go for the REST API calls explanation. So fine. Next one is the, observe this one again. Here itself we have the one more operator is there. Which operator is there?
Take.
We have the one more operator. Which operator we have? Take operator na. We have one more operator. The operator is the take operator we have here. Fine. Now see this one here, guys. Here itself observe this one here. Off 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Fine. Guys, totally how many values we have?
5 values.
5. But I don't want to execute all the 5 values.
Okay.
I don't want to execute all the 5 values. I want to execute only 3 values. Guys, so totally how many values you have? Everyone, 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want to execute all the 5 values. I want to execute only 3 values. So how can I execute it here? How can I execute here? With the help of which one?
Take operator.
With the help of which one? Take off 3. Guys, the take off 3 means what? It will execute 1, 2, 3. Yes or not? It will execute what? Okay, console.log. Subscribe of console.log. Guys, so what is the result we are getting?
1, 2, 3.
But how many values you have?
5.
How many values you
5.
have, guys? Anyone? How many values we have?
5.
But how many values we're able to see the result?
3.
3. We're able to see only 3 values. We can't see the 5 values. So that RxJS operator, what do you call?
Take operator.
Take operator. Guys, next one. Totally how many values we have?
5
na?
values.
5. But I want to skip, guys. I want to skip first three. See this one here. 1, 2, 3 is there na? I want to
Yes.
skip. If I skip, how many values we have?
Two values.
Values.
Two
Five.
values. What are the two values? 4,
4
comma
and 5.
4, comma 5. Check this one here. So the top operator, what do you call?
Skip.
The top operator, what do you call? Skip operator. Of 1, comma 2, comma say this one here. Of 100, comma 200, comma 200, comma 300, comma 400, comma 500. Of 100, comma 200, comma 300, comma 400, comma 500. Dot which
Dot
function?
pipe.
Pipe function. So which operator we need to call?
Skip operator.
How many values you wanted to skip? 3.
3
So
values.
see this one here. Subscribe off.
Console
Subscribe
dot
off
log.
console.log. So guys, who will skip here?
1, 2, 3.
100, 200, 300.
But who will print now?
400, 500.
400 and 500. Guys, dummy examples are easy to understand or not?
Yes.
Yes.
These examples are easy to understand.
Sir, your voice is
Fun. Count all the operators once again. What is the first operator? Map operator. What is the next operator? Now okay na?
Yeah.
Voice is okay now, guys.
Yes, sir.
Respond here, respond. Are you
Yes,
still
sir.
able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
see this one. What is the first operator? What is the first operator? Map operator.
Map
What is the second operator? What is the
Map
second
two.
operator? Map 2. What is the third operator? What is the
Tab.
third operator?
Tab.
Tap operator.
Take.
Tap operator. What is the next operator? What is the
Take.
next
Take.
operator? Take operator. What is the next operator? What is the
Skip.
next operator? Skip operator. One more operator is there. The operator is the skip operator. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, this is fun. One more wonderful example we need to see, guys. One more example we need to see, guys. To see the another example here, don't touch this one, guys. Never touch this one here. Never touch this one. My suggestion is to create the another component, because if I write the code here, literally we're getting the confusion. So
Yes.
please stop the app component. I don't want to touch the app component. Close the app component. Can I create the another component?
Yes.
Can I create the another component? Which component? Demo dot. Everyone guys. Demo dot component dot demo dot component dot yes. We should be in a position. We need to go for the demo dot component dot yes. Guys, say this one can. Here itself in a demo dot component dot yes. Will you people help me again? How to create the component? Will you people help me here how to create the component here with the help of what?
At the rate.
Let
At
component.
the rate.
With the help of what? At the rate component na?
Component. Yes.
With the help of what? With the help of at the rate component. With the help of at the rate component, we can create the component here. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Respond here. With the help of what? With the help of at the rate component, we can create the component here. Next one, guys, to see this one here. What is the selector you wanted to give? What is the selector?
Demo.
Demo na? Demo. Guys, to see this one here. Here itself,
Template
can I
URL.
take the
Template
template here? No, don't take the template. Just take the template directly. Never take the template URL. Never take the template URL. Please take the template directly here. Template we need to take in. Fine. Guys, what is the difference between template and a template URL? Anyone? What is the difference between template and template URL? Template URL means external HTML na? External HTML. Template means for inline HTML na?
Yes.
Respond inline HTML here. Here itself we need to press some hello here. Next one, guys. How to export the component? How to export the component? Export default class. Export default class. Which component? Export
Demo
default class. Which component here? Demo component now. Export default class. Which class here? We need to press the demo component here. Okay na, guys. Who is the first life cycle hook? Who is the first life cycle hook? ng on it na. Here itself we have the first life cycle hook here. The first life cycle hook is the ng on it. Guys, how to register the demo component? How to register the demo component? At least one person. How to register the demo component here? Say this one here. Here itself. Here itself, which component? Here itself, which component? Demo component now. Here itself, we have one component here. The component is the demo component. Bharat, how to execute the demo component? Bharat, how to execute the demo component? Bootstrap of demo component. What is the selector we have? What is the selector we have? Demo na. Where to call that a demo? Where to call that a demo? Start HTML file. Here itself, we have the index.html file. Under the index.html file, we need to call the demo. Okay na? Fine. Check the result now. Yes, guys, we got the dummy result na.
Yes.
Yes, so what is the dummy result we are getting? Hello na.
Hello.
Am I using any template URL?
No.
No, sir.
No, I'm not using template URL. Instead of template URL, directly I'm taking the template here. Yes or not? Fine. Now guys, see this one here. Here itself, I will go for the one simple example, guys. But
I'm
you
not
people
going to the HTML file. We can
directly I
print
wanted to print here.
.ts.
Directly I wanted to print here. Fine. Guys, see this one. One simple example, guys. Take one interval. Guys, do you people interval? Interval, guys. Take one interval here. See this one here. Interval. Interval also one kind of asynchronous communication, guys. Interval of what you wanted to pass 1000. So my thinking is for every 1 second I want to execute the code. Just like alarm here, alarm is there na, the needle is moving or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For every 1 second I want to execute the code. Fine. See this one again. Finally it will give what? Finally it will give what? Observable na. Interval also giving the asynchronous communication. Interval also present into where RxJS or not. Ram, Deshmukh, everyone guys. I know guys a little bit tough guys, but no option for us. If you know RxJS, if you know NGRX, if you know the single page application, then you are the eligible people to attend the interviews. But let me go for the first of all, let me go for the basic level guys. Later we need to link our example with the one REST API calls or real-time examples. Guys, how to create the interval? How to create the interval here? Interval, interval, what you wanted to place 1000. So guys, interval also giving what? Interval also giving the observable. Guys, interval also giving what? Interval also giving the observable. So guys, say this one can. Here itself, how to print the result? How to print the result? Source dot subscriber. Guys, source dot subscribe of guys. Source dot subscribe of here itself. What you wanted to press result na? Result.
Yes.
Console dot log off. Read yourself here. Console dot log off. Say this one here. Console dot log off. Say this one here. First comma. What you wanted to print result. See this one guys. So for every 1 second the code is executing now.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Respond
that
here.
interval means it is adding +1, like plus.
That's it. You may feel like a +1 adding here. You may feel like that one. No issue. Okay, now fine. Guys, see this one.
It will go up to 1000.
Not 1000. It will infinite loop. This one we can call the infinite loop. Infinite loop here. Guys, tell me here. How to create one interval? Everyone. How to create one interval here? Can anyone tell me here? Can anyone tell me here? Interval of 1 second. Interval of 1 second here. Here itself, say this one here. Constant source. Guys, when this source will execute for every 1 second now.
Yes, sir.
Respond. This source will execute for every 1 second now. Talk with me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
For
sir.
every 1 second. Whatever the source is there, this source will execute for every 1 second. Is my point right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check the proof. Check the Shamuk Priya. Check the proof. Source dot. Source dot. What you wanted to place? Subscribe. Shamuk Priya. When it will execute for every 1 second na?
Yes.
For every can you respond again? That 1 second will be stored into where?
Response.
Yes.
Guys, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stored into where? Result itself.
Result.
Yes, sir.
Result itself. Console dot log off. Console dot log off. Try to say this one again. Console dot log off. Here itself. Say this one again. Console dot log off. What you wanted to place here? We need to place the first. Console dot log off. Here itself. We need to place what you wanted to place here.
First.
Here itself. We need to place the first again. First. Now say this one again. Here itself. We need to print the result again. Fine. Guys, so check your capability again. So guys, are you understanding the interval property in the RxJS?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you please talk with me, guys? Are you people understanding the interval property in the RxJS?
Yes,
Yes, guys. Subscribe function giving one object to us. Subscribe function giving one object to us. Which object it is giving?
Subscribe one.
Subscribe one. Guys, do you know set a timeout?
Sir,
Do you know
yes,
set a
sir.
timeout? See this one, Ken. Set a timeout. Set a timeout. Guys, a little bit complex level example. Set a timeout 4 seconds, guys. I think when this function will execute, when this arrow function will execute,
4
In
seconds.
every
no,
Okay.
after 4 seconds.
after
Yes, sir.
4 seconds.
After 4 seconds, can I stop your interval?
Yes.
Can I stop your interval?
yes.
Tell me, can I stop your interval here? Yes, we should be in a position we need to stop it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, stop it. Why, guys?
Yes, sir.
Started from the 0 itself, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, are you people understanding interval?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I go for the enhancement?
Yes, sir.
Can I go
Yes.
for the enhancement, guys? See this one here. Once again, guys. Once again, observe this. Can I subscribe n number of times? Tell me here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Can I subscribe n number of times? Source dot subscribe. Result equal to observe this one again. Result equal to console dot log off. Console dot log off here itself. We need to place the here itself. We need to place the second comma what you wanted to place result. Guys, say this one. How many members subscribing this interval? 2 members. He's the first member now,
Yes, sir.
and he's the second
Everyone.
member now.
Yes, sir.
When second member subscribing after 4 seconds now.
Yes.
Guys, respond here,
Yes, sir.
respond. He's the
Yes.
subscribe to now. He's the
Yes.
subscribe to now. You people need to tell. He's the subscribe to now. Say this one again. Here itself, we need to go for the subscribe to. Subscribe to, we need to place. Here itself, can I take the constant here? Just to take the
Yes.
constant itself. Guys, explain once again here. Guys, is it a observable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Guys,
Yes, sir.
when you stopped this observable,
After 4
After 4 seconds.
after 4 seconds, who started?
Second subscribe.
Subscribe.
Second subscribe started here. Yes or not? Stop the second person after 7 seconds. How to stop it again? Subscribe to
Subscribe.
dot no
Unsubscribe.
no. Once again,
Set
Only
timeout.
subscribe.
set a timeout of
Timeout.
set a timeout of see this one again. Here itself, what you wanted to place 7 seconds. Here itself 7 seconds here. Subscribe to dot which function? Dot which
Unsubscribe.
function? Unsubscribe function here. Here itself, we have another function here. Which function we have? Unsubscribe function. Guys, check the proof. Guys, the first person stopped now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second person started now.
Yes.
Why it's 0 na?
After 0,
Zero.
it's starting.
0 because of 0, so it will be stopped here. Guys, one observable subscribed by how many members?
2 members.
More than one or not?
Yes.
Guys, one observable, see this one here. One interval subscribed by how many members?
2.
2.
2 members. So this example main intention is it possible to subscribe or not? Yes, guys, it's possible to subscribe here. Fine. Guys, can I explain the concept once again? Little bit confusion corner. Can I explain once again this
Yes.
one? Yes, guys, see this one. How to create the interval? How to create the
Interval.
interval, guys?
interval function.
How to create the interval here? Interval of 1000. Interval of 1000 here. So finally, guys, what happened here? Finally, we are getting the observable now. Finally, we are getting the observable now.
Yes.
Yes, so see this one. Finally, we are getting the observable, or otherwise observer. Just to call the observer. Guys, when this observer will execute, guys,
For
when
everyone.
this observer will execute at least one person, this
Like-
observer will execute for every 1 second now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's for every 7 seconds.
Otherwise, guys, see this one here. This is the clock here. These clocks are available in the shop itself. You created one clock or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Guys, to see the working of that clock, we need to keep the batteries or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just to keep the batteries. To see the working of that clock, we need to keep the batteries. How can I keep the batteries? Observer dot
Subscribe.
observer dot subscriber. Subscribe. See this one here. Here it is showing the result na. It is showing the result or not? Tell me here. It is showing the result or not?
Yes,
Which
sir.
result it is showing here? First. It is showing one result here. Which result it is showing here? First here. So see this one here, guys. Guys, whatever the clock present into shop, that clock working or not?
Working.
Yes, sir. Guys, I think customer wanted to see. Later, they will remove the battery or not? Whenever the
Yes.
customer went out from the shop itself, so they will remove the battery or not? Yes, sir. So how to stop that clock? How to stop the clock, guys? How to stop it here? With the help of unsubscribe now. With the help of unsubscribe.
X1 dot
So
unsubscribe.
so see this one here. Here itself what you wanted to place. Here itself what you wanted to place.
Set
Set a
timeout.
timeout. Set a timeout of when you wanted to stop after 5 seconds na.
Yes.
After 5 seconds. How to stop the clock? S1 dot.
Dot
S1
unsubscribe.
dot. What you wanted to
Unsubscribe.
place again? S1 dot. We need to place the what you wanted to place again. S1 dot unsubscribe here. Guys, but why we are not getting, guys? Why we are not getting? Unsubscribe should come na.
SUB.
Huh? SUB dot.
Unsubscribe.
Subscription.
Or it should come now. How can I remember that one here? How can we remember that one? It should come automatically or not? Yes. Guys, okay now. Fine. Guys,
Okay.
say this one. Customer one went out from the shop. Customer two came, guys. Who came here? Customer two. Customer two came here. Customer two also wanted to test or not?
Yes.
Guys, customer two also wanted to
Yes.
test or not?
Yes.
Customer two also wanted to test here. How customer two can set here? Can test here? How customer two can test? Respond. How customer two can test here? Observer dot subscribe of subscribe of what you wanted to place. Subscribe of what you wanted to place here. Result now. Result. See
Yes.
this one can console dot log off. Console dot log off what you wanted to place here. Console dot log off second. Console dot log off second here. Here itself what you wanted to place result. Here itself we need to place result here. He is the customer two na.
Yes.
He is the customer two. Guys, the customer two started na.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Guys, customer two in the infinite na.
Yes.
But how to
Yes,
stop the
sir.
customer two also? How to stop the
Subscribe.
customer two also? We need to stop the
Subscribe.
customer two also. How can I stop the customer two also? If you
Sir,
want
to
to
unsubscribe.
set a timeout of
Timeout
set
of
a timeout of what you wanted to place again. Set a timeout of we need to place the 7 seconds.
7,000.
7 seconds here. Next one is the here itself we need to place the console dot
Constants the
log off.
two.
No yeah no. Sub to
Subscribe dot unsubscribe.
sub to dot what you wanted to
Dot
place,
unsubscribe.
Sub to dot unsubscribe here. 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 also na 6. Guys, can I ask one simple psychological question? Can
Yes.
Bharat, you joined into one company. Bharat, you joined into one company. You worked in that company up to the 5 years.
Okay.
Okay na? You left that company, you got the opportunity to some Y company.
Okay.
Immediately the company will recruit one more person or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I think will he start the work from your work onwards or will he start from the scratch onwards? Sir?
From where I left, they will work on that.
So it should start from the 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But here itself what happened? Second person starting from 0 onwards na? Is it good?
Bad.
Yeah, it's not good here. Guys, catch my point now. See this one here.
Yes,
He's
sir.
the first person. First person 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Second person should start from where?
5, 6,
5
7,
onwards.
8.
Are second person also starting the project from scratch onwards. Is it good, guys? It's not good. So, guys, in order to overcome these kind of problems, only subject came to the market. In RxJS, we have one concept here. Which concept is there? Subject. Guys, knowledge transfer is there in the companies. We have the knowledge transfer is there na KT.
Yes.
Yes,
Education,
here
sir.
also same thing can. So to transfer knowledge, see this one can. 4, I need to transfer to second person now.
Yes.
So second person starts from 4,
4.
5, 6, 7, something can. So guys, to transfer the knowledge, guys, from the first person to second person, to transfer the knowledge here in the RxJS, we have the one more new person here. That person, what do you call? That person, what do you call?
Okay.
Subject person. Subject person. Where first person stopped. Where first person stopped here, that end point given to the second person. Second person will start from there itself. That concept we can call subject. Fine. Guys,
Your
see this
voice
one.
was disconnected. I did not get it. What you said.
Now also na? Now na?
Now we are getting, but
Yeah.
before it was
Yeah, see
disconnected.
this one. Yeah, nothing is the great care. So first person stopped it to 4 seconds na? First person stopped it to 4 seconds na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Subject gives that information to second person. Subject gives that information to which person?
Second person.
person.
Second
Second
person.
person starts from where?
5 seconds.
5.
Fifth second
5.
onwards. Then that concept we can call subject. Guys, not a great example, guys, but we need to do so the RX like HTTP example. But let me go for the concept wise here. Then we will go for the HTTP level. Fine, guys. Let me create one subject here. How can I create the subject here? How can I create the subject here? Anyone? Subject, subject colon subject equal to what you wanted to place new
New
subject.
subject.
Guys, so what is the responsibility of this person? Knowledge transferring. The responsibility of this person is the knowledge transferring from first person to second person.
Second person.
So that person we can call the subject here. Guys, who is the first life cycle hook?
NG on init.
NG on init here. Guys, can I create the observable?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I create the observable, guys? How can I create the observable? Constant. See this one here. Constant clock equal to constant clock equal to constant clock equal to what you wanted to place here. Constant clock equal to interval of 1000 now.
Yes.
Interval of
1 second.
1000 now. See this one here. Constant clock equal to interval of 1000. Guys, how to check whether this clock is working or not? How to check it here? Clock dot clock dot what you wanted to place? Subscribe. Clock dot subscribe. So we are getting the result here now. Yes, sir. This result we need to give to this fellow now.
Yes.
Respond here. That result we need to give to the fellow now.
Yes.
Because he is maintaining the record or not. How to give to this fellow? How can I give here? Distant, subject dot next of value. Why see this one? Whatever the result is there, that result we hand over to which person?
Subject.
Subject. Whatever the result is there, that result we hand over to subject itself. Next one, guys, see this one here. Here itself, how to get the result here? Subject dot subject dot what you wanted to place here? Subject dot subscribe na. Once again here, not subject dot subscribe here. So see this one here. Constant s1 equal to constant s1 equal to. So guys, how to print the result here?
S1 dot subscribe.
Subject dot subscribe of here itself.
Yes.
We are getting the result.
S1.
Can I print that result? Can I print that result?
Yes.
Console.log of first. Console.log of first here. First, what you wanted to print? What you wanted to print? Result we needed to print now.
Yes.
I don't know, guys. What happened? We don't know. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Infinite na?
Yes.
Reason is unsubscribe na?
Yes.
Yes.
Reason is the unsubscribe. Fine. Guys, sir, don't go for the hurry bari here. Let me listen 1 second here. Guys, sir, how to create the subject? Guys, sir, how to create the subject at least one person? How to create the subject here? Subject equal to subject equal
New
to
subject.
subject equal to what you wanted to place new subject. Subject equal to new subject. Automatically we can create the subject here. Subject equal to what you wanted to place here new subject. Automatically we can create the subject here. Guys, sir, who is the first life cycle hook?
NG on in it.
The first life cycle hook is the NG on it here. Here itself we have the first life cycle hook here. Who is the first life cycle hook? The first life cycle hook is the NG on it here. Guys, see this one. Create the clock. How can I create the clock here? Constant clock equal to constant clock equal to what you wanted to place here? Interval of 1 second. This clock will execute for every 1 second. Guys, see this one here. How to subscribe the result? Clock dot subscribe. Subscribe of here itself. We are getting the result now.
Yes.
Yes, sir. To monitor this result, we appointed an office by now.
Yes. Subject.
To monitor this result, we appointed an office by here. Who is
This
that
dot
office by?
subject.
This dot subject. This dot subject dot next of val. So guys, sir, next of what? Next of val. So
Value.
whatever the work done by the clock, whatever the work done by the clock, who will monitor that one? Subject will monitor. So see this one can. This alarm purchased by the person one na?
Yes.
Yes. Guys, now how to check the result here? To see the result, guys, we need to task the office by or not?
Yes.
We need to task the office by or not to see the result.
This dot
To see the
subject
result, we need to task
dot
the office by only. This dot
subscribe.
subject dot subscribe of value. Here itself console dot log off. See this one can first equal to first equal to what you wanted to place value. Yes, guys, see this one here. After 4 seconds, guys, after 4 seconds, 4 seconds means fun.
Set time out.
Set a timeout of set a timeout of what you
4000.
wanted to place 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, we need to unsubscribe. How can I unsubscribe here? How can I unsubscribe here? P1 dot
P1 dot
what you wanted to
unsubscribe.
place here? P1 dot what you wanted to place here? Unsubscribe. P1 dot unsubscribe we need to place. Yes, guys, break it now.
Yes.
Break it, guys. Just to use this clock by the second person, guys. How they can use? How they can use
Constant second person.
clock dot what you wanted to place? Subscribe.
Subject.
Subscribe of val of next one. This dot subject dot this dot subject dot next of val. Next of val. Now, guys, see this one here. Constant, guys, even if you're getting 50% knowledge, guys, don't worry. At least if I'm able to complete all the operators with the dummy examples, once if we get the clarity, then we will link these examples with our real-time examples. Fine, guys. How to see the result, guys? How to see the result again? This dot
Subject
dot this dot
subscribe.
subject dot subject dot subscribe of what you wanted to
Value.
well, console dot
Log off.
console dot
Second.
log off. Here itself we need to pass a second.
Second.
Here itself we need to pass a second.
Value.
Here itself we need to pass the val.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 0 come.
1 second, it's coming from the 0, na?
Yes.
No, it's not started from the at the end, na?
Second one, the unsubscribe not.
Unsubscribe not working, na?
Yes.
Unsubscribe. Spelling check the spelling here. P1 dot unsubscribe. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct only, sir. Spelling correct.
Spelling correct, na?
Yes.
1 second. Okay. Yes, it's correct, na? It's correct.
Yes.
So say this one. One more thing. Just go for the subscription. One more person subscription. How can I go to that one? How can I go to that one? Here it's a leave it, guys. This unsubscription something leave it. Leave this is unsubscription. Clock dot subscribe.
Subscribe.
Clock dot subscribe. Here itself val equal to val equal to console dot
Console
log
dot
off.
log off.
Console dot log off what you wanted to place second. Console dot log off second here itself what you wanted to place val. No, guys, no, wrong now. Subject we need to choose now.
Value.
Subject we need to choose now.
Yes.
How to use the subject again?
This
Distort,
dot subject
subject
dot
dot,
next
subject dot, next dot,
value.
next of val. Next one. Here itself, constant, constant P2, constant P2.
P2.
Guys, next one. Subject dot, distort,
This
subject
dot
dot,
subject dot
subscribe now, subscribe of val,
value.
subscribe of val here, val of console dot log off what you wanted to place second person now, second person equal to what you wanted to place here, second person
Val.
equal to val. We'll check it here, guys. What happened? We don't know. Let me check it. Guys, see this one. Second started from where?
Second first. Same. Previous.
No. Second started from the 4. Wait, can
Yes.
unsubscribe this one. We need to unsubscribe this one. How can I unsubscribe? P1 dot unsubscribe now. P1 dot unsubscribe. Go to the P2 also. Guys, when I need to do P2 unsubscribe, set a timeout of here itself. We need to process 7 seconds. P2 dot unsubscribe. Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to place the P2 dot unsubscribe.
P2 dot unsubscribe. P2, sir.
How the normal people can understand this one here? No, guys. No.
Something is wrong.
Something is wrong. Some concept we miss it here. Okay, fine. Not an issue, guys. Not an issue here. But try to see this one, guys. So this is the concept. What is the subject in the sense? Monitoring the previous observable emitting data. Monitoring the previous observable emitted data. In order to monitor that one, then we need to go for the subject. Anyhow, guys, I will verify the example once. And concept is right, but somewhere else we done some mistake. Don't worry about it. Fine. Yeah, guys, can you get the brief clarity now?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Can you please get the brief clarity? You people need to tell how
sir,
many...
your voice is breaking.
Yeah, I think I connected with the mobile phone here because I'm out of station. I connected with the mobile phone.
Okay.
Now check now, okay na?
Yes,
okay,
sir. Okay.
Guys, yeah, guys, I think whatever we completed in the RxJS, guys, dummy level, not a high level. I'm not saying high level discussion. Dummy level, guys. Can you please tell me what we discussed? Map we discussed na?
Map.
Guys, next one. Map 2 we discussed na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Tap we discussed na?
Yes, sir.
Guys, next one. What we discussed? Take we discussed na?
Yes, sir.
Take we discussed. Next one. What we discussed? Skip we discussed na?
Yes, sir.
Skip we discuss again. Next one, what we discuss? Subject not discuss. Subject not discuss. 1 second, we will say the subject. Next one, guys. Every day we are discussing about a pipe function. Guys, every day we are discussing about the off function.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Today also we discussed about the interval. Na?
Yes, sir. Interval.
Interval we discuss again.
That
Next
interval.
one, guys. And one more thing here. One more thing is the did we discuss about the subscribe function? Did we discuss about the subscribe care?
Yes.
Did we discuss about unsubscribe?
Unsubscribe, yes,
Did
sir.
we discuss about unsubscribe? Yes. Next one, discuss about merge map function.
Merge map.
Merge map. Did we discuss about concat map function?
Yes, sir.
Concat map works. Merge map we completed. Concat map we completed. Yes or not? Fun.
Yes, sir.
Guys, apart from this one, still we have so many topics, guys. First one is the subject we need to see with the clear cut example. Next one is the behavior subject. Next one is the
Behavior.
we need to see the what you wanted to see. Behavior subject we need to see. Behavior subject 1 second we need to see. Next one is the what we need to see. Switch map, guys. We need to check the switch map also. Switch map also we need to see. Next one is the and here we need to go for the combine latest. Here itself one more thing what we have can combine latest. Combine latest is there. Next one is the and one more point here. One more thing is the like debouncing also there. Debouncing also there. Guys, apart from that one, after completing that one, above all the examples, we need to link with what HTTP calls. All the examples, guys. Even the taking the time, guys. So we need to complete it. All the examples we need to link with the HTTP call scan with one real-time example, because even if you explain like this, even if you go for the interview, you can't crack the interview, guys. You never crack the interview, because the reason is now, if they want to ask the RxJS, they will ask you in our project where you use it. No,
Yes.
directly they didn't want to ask like what is take, what is skip. They don't want to ask the question like that. They will ask you in the real-time project where you use this concept. So each concept we need to link with one real-time example. If I link with the example again, then we are happy with this one. So still, guys, I need to get the more information regarding to that. Okay, na? Will you please go through up to now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, I can't continue, guys, because I see this fun. To tell that one, so many videos I see in here. After seeing the so many videos, only we got this answer. Fun, guys. Tomorrow Sunday, na? Will you join the? I can't take up to the 9 o'clock, guys. Yeah, tomorrow Sunday, will you join the tomorrow also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
At what
Morning.
time, guys?
Morning, sir.
Because, no, because I'm at out of station here. Today night I'm in the journey. So tomorrow evening itself I can take the class. 6 to 8 or 6 to 9. Can I take it now?
Yes, sir.
Take early, sir.
6:30.
Huh?
6:30. Can you take
6:30 to 8. 6:30 to 8 we will
Yes,
take.
sir.
Okay, na? Fine. Guys, Node.js people Anwar, Node.js class today and tomorrow, so we don't have the class. Once again, we have the class on Monday. Okay, na?
Sir, can you share the videos?
No, because of this video also, because of this connected with the mobile phone network. I can't
No,
share
sir,
the video
after
now.
when you were in
No,
the station.
tomorrow morning. Tomorrow
Ah.
morning I will share that video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Fine. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
guys. Bye.
Thanks.